folks, what's up? You're about to witness something marvelous. And I am the Chief Operating Officer of this here fine company. And every now and then I come on the delivery trail and we deliver to our customers, families and friends, right? And I just come here to say hi, how you doing, how you like the service. But I also come to give. You know Jamaicans go already. When they come over here, bring something. So we also bring stuff for our customers. So here we are. We're going to give this customer an opportunity to win a free shipping coupon. Alright? So stay tuned and check it out. Hey guys, what's up? So Fabian is here. Fabian, say hi.
Hello.
Fabian dealing with Andre's package. Say hi to Andre from the folks. Andre, say hi to you.
Hi.
Alright, so as I said guys, we are here. And remember, when we come, we don't just come empty-handed. We come to give you something. So we're going to give Andre the opportunity to win a free shipping coupon. You hear that? Alright, cool. So here we are going. Andre,